thank you to Grandma.
Thank you.
Say thank you to Diamond and Ryan.
Thank you, Daddy.
Thank you, Diamond.
Thank you, Daddy. Thank you.
Uh-oh, Tenzin's ripping it.
Daddy.
Say thank you to Grandma the Grape. I think Tenzin needs assistance to not destroy his present.